Monaco, the world's most fantastic Grand Prix street circuit. So what do the locals do? Well, they pay someone else to drive. I decided to show them the pleasures of cornering in my Vectra SRI with its stiffened and lowered suspension. What a waste. Back it up, back it up, back it, loads of room. Stop.
The Vauxhall Vectra SRI, for the corners of the earth.
You go off players quicker than managers do. Just look at this lot.
He's French and he's worth millions.
Well, we're not.
No, we're Welsh.
You know what I mean, young lady? You're just wasting money. Make yourself useful. Do the shopping.
Softener and powder. Don't need softener. I'll show her.
This has done a great job. Spend a fortune, did you?
No separate softener, so it was over £1 less.
Well saved.
I found a thrill at Boundary Mill with prices so low. You know you should go.
Find a massive selection of famous name brands in clothing and for the home, all at clearance prices.
That's the thrill of Boundary Mill.
Drinking plenty of water, eating fruit, and keeping out of the sun does wonders for your skin. But is there anything else you can do? Well, to give your skin all it needs most, Ulay have developed a new type of skincare. Their proven moisturiser and an advanced UV protection system with a vitamin-mineral complex in one complete product. So your skin can look its best while you get on with the important things in life. And the name? Complete Care. From Oil of Ulay, we can prove it's what you need most to look younger.
Oh, I thought I'd never get here. The clutch kept slipping on the way home. And as for that mechanic, he got the quote wrong.
As in, friends, Romans and countrymen, lend me your beer.
Hey, there is somewhere else, local, does a good service at a very fair price. Vauxhalls, they specialise in Vauxhalls. Masterfit.
Oh.
It's right in front of your nose. If you've got a Vauxhall, Masterfit are the pros.
Oh, why can't you teach him to carry the newspaper like other dogs? Oh, I'll be glad when that clutch is replaced.
I wouldn't mind being in his clutches.
Shush! He's a fully trained Vauxhall professional, Gran, not a toy boy.
It is a new clutch, as you predicted, but it won't take long to put right. Here's what it'll cost, OK?
Now, that's what I call a quote.
Masterfit for Vauxhall service and repairs.
Masterfit are the pros.